Hi, I'm here with Gigi today, and she and I are going to plant celery. Right, G?
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to help?
Mm-hmm.
This is package purchased. We could have started from seed, but we're choosing to do our own starts, buy starts this time. We take out the entire plant. If it were a 2-pack, we would tease them gently apart. We pre-dug a few holes that are about twice the size of the start that we purchased. And then we gently place the start in. And unlike with many other vegetables, we are going to add a little extra soil right up to the crown of the celery. We're not going to push down tightly. We're just going to gently push the soil up against it and a little bit over the crown just to protect it. We like our celery tender and blanched, and adding a little more soil at the base will help it to establish well and give us that celery. Also, if you notice in the bed, here's some spinach companion planted with our celery and asparagus. My hope, our hope, you want to come do it? You want to push it in? Yeah. Our hope is that the asparagus, when it ferns, which is what the tops do as they mature, our hope is that the ferns will shade the asparagus, the celery, and give it more of that crisp, white, blanched flavor that we like so much, not allowing as much chlorophyll to form in the stalks.
Mama, we're getting more stuff.